All right, guys. So today we're going to be working with the minor members of the solar system. So, right when you guys come in, make sure you guys record this stuff on your calendars. Right, because remember, tomorrow I'm going to be collecting calendars again. So, we're also going to have a quiz next Tuesday on the solar system. So, right, we're going to be doing notes on page 83, which I'm going to kind of go over today, and then we're going to do some drawings on page 82. Okay, so page 82. Okay, so go ahead and go to the PowerPoint. So the idea was so that you guys can go ahead and put a graphic organizer on your page 82. I'll kind of show you kind of what that looks like in just a second. So right, so this will kind of go at the top of your page, right, and run underneath that. So we'll put kind of some differences between meteors, meteorites, and meteoroids. Okay, I put this diagram on here to kind of help you. This idea that the meteoroid is approaching Earth, but it has not got into the atmosphere yet. Where a meteor, like when we have a meteor shower, right? That's going to be now it's entering the Earth's atmosphere. A meteorite is where it actually hits Earth, right? So, so same thing, just different place. So that's kind of the idea behind that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at now kind of what should be in your notebook. So you guys are going to open your notebooks to page 82 and 83. Okay, so we're going to start off page 83 is where we're going to start to put our notes and stuff. So, right, if we switch over here to page 83, this is kind of the idea. So you're just drawing a kind of a graphic organizer at the top, okay, where you're going to have asteroids, comets, and meteoroids, right? Since the idea of meteoroids is, right, these guys that are flying out here, okay, it's the same thing that reaches here. So we're just going to talk about just the one. So just the meteoroids down at the bottom, right? And so we're kind of looking for where did these things come from, right? So in your PowerPoint, I put some things on here that you can talk about. So, right, so where did these guys come from? So basically, most are thought to have come from a broken planet, okay, and most of the time they're going to be in the asteroid belt. So, so on here, I just put it's going to be in the asteroid. It comes from the asteroid belt, okay, and it came from broken planets. Okay, and so what it actually is, small rocky bodies, and where I got that from was right over here, right, where it says small rocky bodies. Okay, so now, okay, so that's the first part, and then comets as you go through. So I put some stuff here on comets. Okay, put the deal on there about Halley's Comet, and so meteoroids, right? So that way you guys can add those in there. So right on the other page, on page 84, we're going to be doing some diagrams. So now at first this seems like a lot of stuff to put in a diagram, right? And so what I thought would be an easy way to show this, right, on your page 82 is just to make 3 segments, right? So hopefully you'll do a better job of dividing them than I did there. But so, right, so that you could go through. So like I just did this one here on this side, meteoroids versus meteorites versus meteors, right? And so trying to show that difference that, right, that meteors are just in space, where a meteorite hits the Earth. Meteors are now have entered the Earth's atmosphere, so you just put on there, right, something like atmosphere, and right then you're going to use color to kind of show that. So, and then you're going to show a diagram of the asteroids, a diagram of the comets, maybe where they came from, that type of stuff. So, and I put a lot of stuff on here for you guys to check out. So, like on here, I put the picture of Halley's Comet, as well here, another comet. Okay, so that way you could see the tail and the coma and all that stuff. So, so hopefully this helps. So, thanks again.